Hi, in today's video, we'll talk about how to check your Amazon credit card application status. Make sure you watch until the end of the video to learn how to do this and more. Before you receive your Amazon credit card and begin taking advantage of all its amazing benefits, your application must be verified and approved. Although the wait can be annoying, Amazon makes keeping track of your application status easy. Here's what you should do. First, go to chase.com and sign in. The link is in the description. Amazon issues its credit card in conjunction with Chase, so you can see your status update on the bank's portal. Click on the icon in the upper left side of the screen, then select Explore Products. Click on Application Status and view the details. Alternatively, you can call the Chase Bank Application Status Service line at 1-888-338-2586 or 1-800-432-3117. The numbers are in the description. And there it is. With these simple steps, you'll know if your Amazon credit card has been approved or is still pending. Thanks for watching, and until next time.